here we are with the piano, attempting to get home, slowly making our way up the hill. The wheels are spinning at about 50 miles an hour. Hopefully we make it and everything's alright. Pretty serious blizzard.